Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $19,364. 24-hour volume, we're down 7.25%, and market cap, we are up 0.46%. All right, so heading over to the chart here, I am going to go over 4 different time intervals, 30 minutes, 2 hours, 1 day, and our weekly time frame, starting off on the 30-minute time frame. So just taking a look, zoomed out, what we can see is prices consolidating sideways as the Bollinger Bands are narrowing. We do see in the last couple of hours here, or an hour and 30 minutes, that the expansion of the Bollinger Bands. And once we see that expansion, initially there is going to be a breakout either in an uptrend or a downtrend. Taking a look at an area of convergence, when we pair our fib charts together here, we can see this area is peaking out a little bit more so than the other fibs at 61% and 50% as well at 19,300. So this is an area of confluence where the price is going to be attracted to more so than others. If we take a look at our volume profile off to the side here, this node itself is sticking out. This also means that this dollar amount generated in a lot of trades compared to the other dollar amount, same thing as the volume at the very bottom, but this is measured by dollar amount again at the $19,300 time frame. Take a look at areas where the resistance or the price actually bounced very nicely around this area of convergence as well. So if we take a look at the price so far, price is pumped up closer to an area of resistance. We do still have areas or enough momentum for the price to come up just a little bit here. We may see price get capped off roughly around the $19,422. As we can see already, we are considered to be overbought as price is retracing past the 80% line. Not only that though, but if we can see this uptrend itself so far in this 30-minute time interval, we only had a volume equivalent to 14 trades. So if the volume itself does not match the actual potential of the volume coming up or the price coming up, it's not going to be supported. Therefore, we won't be able to break through and close above this. If we take a look at our MACD indicator as well, this is not helping us either. If we do want to break through this resistance line and continue upwards in an uptrend, is the histograms or these bars are very minimal. They're not as greatly as we saw back here a few hours ago. So long as we can be able to generate enough volume, enough histograms or volume for these bars, then we are most likely going to come back up. But where I think volume is going to come, or the price coming down, is this area of confluence again at 19,300. Going into our 2-hour time frame, you guys, here we can see that the price itself is coming down to a stop. We can see resistance line right here at 19,400. As price and volume is coming down, we are not most likely going to break and close above our 50 MA here. Our RSI itself is taking a look. It does look like it is going to be pinching in. And again, once we cross over that 80% threshold, there is going to be selling opportunities. As the volume itself does not match the volume coming up, we want to look for short entry trades. Taking a look again for areas of convergence here, we're going to take our fib chart and see if we have any areas of our nodes of our profile off to the side generating enough attraction. Okay, so it does look a little bit more scattered here on a 2-hour time frame. We don't really see areas of convergence. However, we do see an area roughly around 61 to 50% that volume or the price actually found support in, because what we're going to experience is another retracement level up to this price here. Again, I don't think we are going to be breaking out over the 50 MA. I do feel like we do have enough again to push it towards the 19,400 and then come back down. This is an area again where price may want to retrace to, and it doesn't help that our trend itself of our MACD looks like it is slowing down. Going into our daily chart, you guys, here we can see the previous candlestick here not looking good, as this candlestick body itself almost representing a doji candle, indecision with the bears and the bulls here. As we can see, price retraced all the way here as low as 18,500 here, and as price is coming up again, we may be capped up at the 19,600. We can see very, very nice support here. So we're going to test the theory on support turned into resistance and vice versa here. If price is going to come back down, again, the volume itself does not look promising in this current uptrend or possible uptrend itself, as yesterday we only generated 2.155 thousand trades as the price is coming up. Again, volume does not match. We are looking for shorter trades in this interval itself, and it does not help here for our RSI being at 93% and 64%. Again, price is going to come back down. We do see our histogram of our MACD. However, again, we're really far away from the 0%. So hopefully we can come up just a little smidge and test this area as a resistance for future predictions as well. For our fib chart, I'm going to take a look at different other peaks here. Again, there's really not a whole lot of area of convergence that we can take a look at. It is just roughly testing this area here to see if it is a resistance or support turned into resistance. A weekly chart here, not a lot of movement, you guys. We are still in the bear range. We do see that RSI is at 7% and 18%. Keep in mind, the RSI can continue to drop to 0 and 0%. So even though this RSI does look like a buying opportunity, in my own opinion, I do want to wait until it does drop here and cross over to initiate any buy signal for myself. If we take a look at the Bollinger Bands here, it does look like they are colliding in. If we do see a pinch, it is going to initiate a breakout either in an uptrend or a downtrend. But if price is going to come back down, we're going to retest this area of support roughly around the 17,600, which is very alarming if we take a look at that, because if we do drop even further, then who knows where Bitcoin is going to go. And roughly around the 78% here, we're able to hold. But again, we could drop again if down to the 17,700. Our histograms, like I said, until we are able to hit to the 0%, we are not going to see any time of a reversal in a higher time frame. So that's my video here for Bitcoin. Thank you guys so much for liking, like and subscribe to support the channel, and I'll see you next time.